everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 24th to the 28th of March 2025 on Monday. Nkunzi immediately makes a move when he learns that Insizwa are back in Endlende. Babekazi forces Ginny to train Saf on a wheelchair, while Prince receives a troubling string of messages from an unknown number during a family prayer session on Tuesday. Nomaswazi rescues Njinji, while Insizwa receives a reinforcement from the Brotherhood on Wednesday. Nkunzi relieves Nokuthula of her Ibamba duties. Russia releases the sex video of her and Prince calling unnecessary attention to them. Zbu advises Mzamo to reach out to Thando for help with his book on Thursday. Nomaswazi's attempt to get answers is brought to an abrupt end. Prince saves Madlala's smile. Mzamo beat more than he can chew on Friday. Nkunzi catches Insizwa like animals while Nokuthula is stripped of her tackle. Nkazimulo's actions fuel Nomaswazi's suspicions. Russia continues to play Russian roulette with Prince while Mzamo hold onto his dream for dear life. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.